let's talk about function rules. So far, we've talked about what functions are, how to figure out domain and range, how to figure out if something is function or relation, or both, right? Because if it's a function, it's both, a function and a relation. But let's talk about some more concrete functions, right? So here we have a rule. And this is what it says. It says take x, multiply it by 5, and subtract 4. And this will give you y, the dependent variable. So when I say take x, what do I mean that? I mean take any number that we can, stick it in, and see what comes out. Just like that. So here's an example. Here I have a whole bunch of x values and I don't have the y values. So what do? I take the x. In the first row, this is 2. And I plug it in instead of this x. So what I will get is 5 times 2. Here I'm plugging this in instead of the x. Minus 4. Well, that's 10 minus 4. This is just 6. There. I found out this value. Well, what about the next one? Super easy. This time I'm going to take this one. And I'm going to go ahead and plug it in instead of the x. Right there. 5 times 3 minus 4. That's 15 minus 4. That's 11. Super easy. What about the next one? Well, same deal. I plug the 4 instead of the x right here. And I get 16. And I'm done. Very, very, very easy. And listen, if you have x squared or x cubed, doesn't matter. You just do what the rule tells you. If you have to square it, then you square it. If you don't have to square it, you don't have to square it. You just follow the recipe, just like you do when you're cooking.